In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote on Xero in this full 2025 guide. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you're confident in creating and managing your quotes seamlessly. To start off, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the business section and click on quotes. This will bring up your quotes dashboard. Now, if you're starting fresh, you'll want to click on the plus new quote button. However, if you're working with an existing one, you can choose to open it instead. With the quote screen now in front of you, there are some essential details you'll need to fill in. Begin by selecting the customer contact. This is a pivotal part of your quote as it links directly to their information in your database. You'll also notice a field for the quote number. Xero offers the flexibility to either automatically generate this number or allow you to input one manually, whichever suits your preference or business protocol. Don't forget the date and expiry date, which clearly communicates the validity period of your quote to your customer. As you progress, ensure you add items or services, including their quantities, prices, and applicable taxes. This ensures that your quote is comprehensive and leaves no room for ambiguity. After filling out all necessary fields, it's time to save your quote. You have the option to save it either as a draft or mark it as awaiting approval, depending on what stage of review you're at in your business process. It's crucial to have your quote saved, at the very least, as a draft, particularly if you wish to preview it further. Speaking of previewing, the next step involves doing just that. Open your saved quote and look for the preview button, which usually sits in the top right corner of your screen. It might also appear as Preview PDF or Print PDF. By clicking this, Xero provides you with a mock-up of what your customer will see, ensuring everything appears just right. This preview includes important details like your business logo, particulars on line items, the total amount due, and any applicable taxes. If you have terms and conditions set in your settings, these will be visible as well. With the quote now looking polished, you have a couple of options on how to proceed. If everything checks out, you can send it directly to your customer by clicking Email. Alternatively, if you prefer a physical copy or need to file a hard copy, you can opt for Print PDF. Your customers receiving the emailed version get a secure online link, which they can use to either accept or decline your offer. And that's a wrap. You've now learned how to effectively quote on Xero. Be sure to go through these steps a few times to become familiar, and soon you'll be quoting like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy quoting.